the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make some Halloween decorations, okay? First, print up some papers. The more you print, the longer your garland is going to be. And grab some scissors and let's cut them out. Great! Now we need some string. I'm going to use some orange string because that's very Halloweeny. You can either make just ghosts and just jack-o'-lanterns, or if you want, you can mix them up. I think that's what I'm going to do. Fold it like this, grab some glue, and glue it together. Wow, just like that. Well, do the same with the other pieces. Wow, this is looking great. What are you going to be for Halloween? I haven't decided yet, but I think maybe I might be a pirate. Yeah, I love pirates. And we're almost done. Great! Now grab your scissors and let's cut the string. And now it's time to put up our Halloween decorations. Yeah! Wow, that looks great. Hey, I know a song about ghosts. Let's sing, okay? Five little spooky ghosts sitting on a piece of toast, eating some yummy, yummy jam. Yum, yum. One ghost could eat no more, so he flew out the door. Now there are four little spooky ghosts. Four little spooky ghosts sitting on a piece of toast, eating some yummy, yummy jam. Yum, yum. One ghost could eat no more, so he flew out the door. Now there are three little spooky ghosts. Three little spooky ghosts sitting on a piece of toast, eating some yummy, yummy jam. Yum, yum. One ghost could eat no more, so he flew out the door. Now there are two little spooky ghosts. Two little spooky ghosts sitting on a piece of toast, eating some yummy, yummy jam. Yum, yum. One ghost could eat no more, so he flew out the door. Now there is one little spooky ghost. One little spooky ghost sitting on a piece of toast, eating some yummy, yummy jam. Yum, yum. That ghost could eat no more, so he flew out the door. Now there are no little spooky ghosts. Three scary spiders hanging from a tree. Three scary spiders hanging from a tree. I walked under and one fell on me. Oh no! Now there are two scary spiders hanging from a tree. Two scary spiders hanging from a tree. Two scary spiders hanging from a tree. I walked under and one fell on me. Oh no! Now there is one scary spider hanging from a tree. One scary spider hanging from a tree. One scary are no scary spiders hanging from a tree. Hey, where did all the spiders go?
I don't know.
Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!